Okay, let's talk about the Esembly Baby cloth diapering system, an absorbent inner diaper, and then on top you have the waterproof outer. So on the inside, this is what the organic cotton inner looks like. You'll notice that when you open it up, it has these two different colored snaps. This is so that you can always tell where the middle of the row is. On the inside, you have two petals of cotton. Notice that it's not all sewn down. So these two petals are stitched with channels in between so it can wash and dry more effectively. There's elastic on the side and elastic at the back, which is nice and stretchy and very comfortable. Now to make this waterproof, we have to put the cover on top. This is the Esembly Outer. It has 2 rows of snaps for a perfect fit. On the inside, you'll notice that it comes with 2 layers. This is different than most brands. 2 layers of waterproof TPU protection. This is made from recycled water bottles. It has elastic at the front tummy, at the back, and at the side. So all you do is put that absorbent cloth diaper on baby and the waterproof outer on top. It's thin, it's trim, it fits under clothing without being bulky, and it comes in 2 sizes. Now, organic cotton is going to feel wet against the skin when baby pees. If you prefer it to have a stay dry feel like a disposable diaper, you can put the Esembly Stay Dry Liner between diaper and baby. And if you need a little extra absorbency boost at nighttime or for naps, put an Esembly overnighter in with it too. There you go, that's the Esembly diaper system, an excellent choice for new parents.